Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive. So if you have a flash drive or USB drive that is not OTG or OTG and you want to transfer your photos from your Android phone to this particular flash drive, then let me show you how to do this. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you need a USB drive converter. So this is a converter, especially if your flash drive or USB drive is not an OTG. So go ahead, grab a converter. You can get this on any online store. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it on eBay, and you can even get it on local stores. So go ahead, insert the converter into your Android. Nothing is going to happen yet. Then insert your flash drive into the converter. Once you inserted it, go ahead and open the Files app on your Android. Once you open the Files app, then if you scroll down, you should see the name of your USB storage. So here you can see I have USB storage 1. If you click on it, then you have everything you have here. Now, to transfer or move photos from your Android phone to your USB drive, all you simply need to do is, once you open the Files app on your Android phone, locate Images, then here you have access to all your photos. Now go ahead and select the photo you want to move to the flash drive. Now open the photo. You'll be prompted to open using one of these options. So select Gallery, then you should see the photo like this. To transfer this photo from your Android phone to your flash drive, all you simply need to do is select the photo, press and hold it, select all the photos. Then you can either copy this or move this to your flash drive. So in this case, let's copy this particular photo to my flash drive. Click on copy. Then you should say copy here. Then what you need to do is come here to where you say internal storage, click on it, and then swipe through the navigation and then select the name of your USB drive. Once you selected that, you can just go ahead and create a folder. Then give the folder a name. Let's name these photos. So if the name already existed, you should see name exist. Go ahead and click on create. Then scroll down and then locate the files or the folder you created. Click on it. Then click on copy here. Then you should see copied. Click on show in folder. Then these are all the photos you copied from your Android phone to your USB drive. Now if you want to move the entire photo, all you simply need to do is repeat the same thing. Press and hold it, click on move, then scroll through this navigation and then select the name of your USB drive. Then select the folder you want to move the photo to, select it, then click on move here, and that's it. Now once you've done with all this, and now it is time for you to exit or remove the USB flash drive. Now you can either swipe down from the top left, locate USB storage added, click on the drop menu, click on mount, or better still, go back to my files, then scroll down, locate name of your USB storage, click on it, click on the three dots at top right, then click on mount, and then you should say USB storage 1 unmounted or the name of your USB storage unmounted. Now you can now go ahead and remove the USB on your phone, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to transfer photos from Android phone to a USB drive, and that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.